In this video we're going to look at setting up the Berkana Labs Homeopathic Potentiser and Spooky2 Radionics 3-dial device to create a homeopathic remedy at potency from a mother tincture. We will now run through making the connections to set up the homeopathic potentiser and Spooky2 Radionics 3-dial. We are using the generator X from Spooky2. The XM generator can also be used. You will need to preload the generator X with the radionic presets if you intend to use it standalone, as we are here today. So we take our generator and the Spooky2 boost, and we need the female BNC adapter which comes with Spooky2 Radionics, and I'll add this here first, connect it to the BN port since that will be the one we are using, the preset Radionics Healing. If you don't have the adapter, you can use the general preset and just connect to out 1 or out 2 on the boost or directly to the generator. Take a BNC cable and connect to BN. Apply the power to the generator. Power it on. We're using G1, so we select G1 and Radionics Healing, start. It's ready. We're not going to set it going just yet until we've made connections. So we take the 3-dial Radionics device, connect the BNC cable to the input. I'm just going to move the generator out of the way. We take the homeopathic potentiser and another BNC cable, connect to the input of the homeopathic potentiser and to the output of Spooky2 Radionics. And then test the system, start. All running okay. In the next step we'll look at the process of creating the potentized remedy. This is the process for creating a potentized remedy using the Berkana Labs Homeopathic Potentiser and Spooky2 Radionics 3-dial device. Take a mother tincture, in this case milk thistle, place that on the input of the Radionics device. And we can leave the rates at 0 unless you have a particular rate you wish to use. For a more advanced video we'll cover some tuning with the stick pad, so we can tune into the samples as well in line. And we select the potency on the homeopathic potentiser. For the purposes of this video I'm going to select 30C. That's the potentized output. We place our pre-prepared water tincture, which we use the magnetic stirrer to restructure it, and we place that on the potentizer plate, and it is now broadcast in the mother tincture at 30 centesimal potency to the water remedy, and we leave that on there for a minimum of 3 minutes and recommend 20 minutes just to ensure full saturation of the information from the mother tincture to the remedy at potency. Instead of using a water remedy, you can broadcast a potentized mother tincture to a witness sample, which you place simply on the potentiser plate. You allow it to broadcast. In this video we are going to look at how to use the potentiser, stick pad and Spooky Radionics to find the potency of an unknown potency homeopathic remedy. And to do this process I would tune into the remedy that we do not know the potency for using a stick pad and generate a rate. So we have 4, 5, 7 as the rate. Now to detect the potency we use the potentiser and the stick pad in conjunction. No detection on 0, 6C, no detection, no detection on 12C, none on 30C, 100C, 200C, M, 10M, 50M, detection on CM. So you can see this remedy, homeopathic remedy, has a potency of CM. That is the basic process of finding an unknown potency of a remedy. And to reinforce that potency you could place a tincture pack on there and run it for a set period of time from 3 minutes to 20 minutes just to reinforce that connection. And that is the basic process. Thanks for watching.